guys, it's AudacityHelper here, and today I'm going to show you how to actually make a gunshot sound effect from a crappy gunshot sound effect. So you can go to Sound Bible to get some of these. You're just going to download like a fairly crappy sound effect for a gunshot. It sounds really bad usually. So you're going to need two blank Audacities, I think. You might have to open one more while we're going through, but and then I'm going to show you what it sounds like when you're done. So here you go. Sorry if that last one was a little loud. My bad. So now that we're done with that, I can show you how you're going to make that sound effect. You might have noticed it actually had sorry, I'm trying to multitask here. A bullet hitting the ground at the end. So this is more of an urban scene kind of thing. So you're gonna start by getting your crappy gunshot sound effect into Audacity. So take one of your blank Audacities and just kind of make it a little bigger so you can drag things into it. Okay, if it would let me make it bigger. There we go. So where did I put it? Okay. And it is, I got one from Fruity Loop Studio 10. It's a beat making software. I got the demo version, and then I was looking through all the files they had, and they had a gun sound effect. It wasn't the best, but it worked for what I'm doing. So I find this right here. I'm going to open it up. And here's what it starts out sounding like. See, maybe a good pistol sound effect. Let me turn it up some, see if you can hear it better. It's not really that good, though, at all. So what you're going to start out doing is you're going to go about to here. Actually, you're going to take the whole thing. Effect, normalize. That did nothing. Never mind. So if you can do that if you want to. It might make it a little better. But effect, bass boost. Bring the boost down to about 4. Then redo that several times. You might even want to bring it up some. Yeah, that sounds about right. And so then you're just going to bass boost this a tiny, tiny bit. Probably 4, yeah. Then effect, amplify. Okay. Effect, amplify. Then bring it up some. Allow clipping. Okay. Then I need to normalize this. So if you have a little spot like that, just normalize it. See, that's already sounding a lot better. Listen. So now that you have that, sorry, my computer's lagging out because it's running a screen recorder and 2 Audacities. So you're just gonna if you're gonna make this a sniper spot, you're gonna or sniper shot, you're gonna make this a little longer. So you're just gonna down the tempo without changing pitch. Sorry. So you're just gonna do that, and then effect, normalize. So it'll bring it back up to what it usually is. You need to normalize this whole thing actually. See how this sounds. That actually sounds really bad, actually. So forget the last normalized part. That sounds good for what we're doing right now. And remember, your project rate needs to be at 4410. Oh, sorry. It's down here. But, I don't know what I did. But, whoops, sorry. That's my screen recorder. So you have your initial gunshot sound here. it's not the best. You made it a little better just by bass boosting it and amplifying it a little. Sorry if I was a little confusing there, but so then you're not gonna open the next Audacity and minimize this one. And if you have Action Essentials like I do, there we go. Then you will be able to find one of the pistol shots and try like a USP 45 single, and you can bring it into here, or any pistol shot really that has like an echoey shell hitting ground sound. So you are just going to cut out everything that isn't the shell hitting the ground. Then you're going to zoom in quite a bit and delete what isn't the shell hitting the ground. Whoops. You have to generate silence, my bad. So do not delete it, generate silence. So just highlight what you want to delete and generate silence. And then up the gain a little bit. And so then we are going to normalize it like most of our effects. Sorry if you didn't hear me very well. You have to normalize it. Make it a lot louder. And then, so once you're done with that, you just save that or export it as a WAV or MP3 file. And I've already exported it. So then you're going to open up Gunshot Sound again. And, you will drag in your shell hitting the ground sound. And put it about where the main shot sound starts to go downhill. Really, it's not the shot sound anymore as much as it is the echo from the shot. And I had a hard time last time I was doing that. So here's how you do it. You click where you want it to be, where the front of it to be, and then you go tracks, align tracks with cursor. And it moves it like that. So here it is. And that is a crappy gunshot sound turned into a average gunshot sound. So there you go. You can actually do this without having actual Action Essentials, which is like a really expensive $250 program. It's just a bunch of effects and stuff. It's really useful. I recommend it for action videos. But if you don't want to spend $250 on like a few sound effects, then and video effects, then I'd just stick with this for now because it works great. And if you want the same gunshot sound I had, you can go look up FL Studio 10 and download the demo version, and then look through the files and the program files, and you should find that gun sound effect somewhere, I think. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my channel and Stunt Idiot's channel. We're posting a ton of new stuff. So yeah, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been really busy with filming. So check both our channels out. Thanks for watching. Bye.